Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Chef on a Boat. Today I'll show you how to reseason a cast iron pan, or in this case, a blue steel crepe pan. As you can see, this pan has seen better days, but no worries, it's very easy to bring back. All it takes is just a little bit of time, and sometimes some elbow grease.
The first thing we need to do is clean all the gunk and rust off of it. If it's really rusty, a steel wool pad is best. Otherwise, one of these pads will do the trick. Okay, we've got it mostly cleaned. There's some pitted areas here, but I'm not going to worry about those. Now we want to wipe it down and dry it off in the stove for about 15 minutes. Drying it off on the stove does two things. One, it ensures all the moisture has been evaporated. And two, it opens up the pores of the metal, so when we put the first thin coat of oil on, it goes into the pores.
Let's talk about oils for a second. You can use any type of neutral oil, like canola oil, grapeseed oil, flaxseed oil. I tend to use canola oil because that's what I have on hand.
While I'm at it, I'm going to touch up this cast iron bowl with another layer of oil and put both in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour. I put the aluminum foil down to catch any oil that may drip from the pans. This is the first layer of seasoning. I'm going to do 4 more layers to finish off this crepe pan. With the reseasoning done, this is how they look. Both have a great non-stick semi-gloss finish and are ready to use.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to reseason a cast iron pan, or in this case, also a blue steel crepe pan. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.